All right, Mr. Watson again, showing you what we're going to do today, the second day of class. Okay, we got two bigs. Get into Canvas. You get to the home screen for the class. Remember I said I always have modules showing in the middle. Top modules always starter quizzes, so that's always the first thing. Also, it always shows on the right side over here, to-do list. So let's get the quiz out of the way first. This one actually isn't a quiz. What this says here is, give me 1 page of information about yourself. So whatever you think I need to know about you, it could be really short or really long. That's up to you. But tell me what you need to know. Once you got it, it's fill in the information here in this text box that comes up on the submit assignment. Just click submit. It sends it in, shows it over here. Click on home. It's off the list. The other thing for today, Electronics-Robotics lab safety. So let's click on that. And it's a test, but let me go back. Before you try taking the test, here's the information for it. Strand 1 safety. Got these free videos I'd like for you to watch about that. And then it's got some other information here in the module about being safe around electronic stuff. Now we get to the test. Test has 25 questions. And remember, it's about safety. So you always want to look at the possible answers. Like on this one, well, gee, some of these answers are throw the thing at you. I don't think that's very safe. That's probably not the right answer. This first question here is handing a tool to another person. I think passing it handle first would be the safe option. So it's that first answer. I like those first answers almost all the time. Pretty much I like those first answers. Let's see, ear eye protection must be worn. When reading blueprints, that doesn't make any sense. When I ask him, well, yeah. In the shower, no. All times when doing lab work. That's safe answer. First answer again, I kind of like that. Test an electrical circuit, you should. Arc a screwdriver, I don't think so. Arc a piece of wire, that doesn't sound safe. Use your fingers, well, that definitely doesn't sound safe. Proper test equipment, that sounds safe. First answer. Now we got a trend going here. I like these first answers. When turning on electrical item following repair, you should. Well, the first answer is all the other items. So what's the other items? Verify parts are installed correctly, tools and hardware has been removed. These other ones all look good. So I would say it's all those answers. When cutting with a knife, use only butter knives, but that's not possible. Cut toward you, that's not very safe. Have your friend cut it, hold it so you'll cut down. Ooh, cut away from yourself. But don't have your friend holding it so you cut down. Primary reason to keep hands and fingers dry when handling power cords. Rust, well, that has nothing to do with safety. Not even. No, I don't think so. Water could damage cord. Oh, water makes a good old conductor. You could get shocked. That sounds like a good safe answer. When a fuse blows, throw the item away. Well, I can't always afford to do that. Replace the fuse with a piece of copper. No. Replace it with a aluminum foil. No. Replace it with the correct fuse. By the way, if that fuse blows, the item's got bigger problems. It's not the fuse. United States government requires danger high voltage warning signs on electrical equipment with voltages above. Let's see, 1 volt, 120, 12. It's actually 400. Those signs have meaning when you see them. More than 400 volts requires a danger high voltage sign. Because 400 volts is the voltage at which, if you come in contact with it, it can kill you instantly. Below that, it takes a little longer. Output voltages. Oh, let's see. Rarely or dangerous? No, no concern. I think they're concerned. You find it with poking your fingers. I don't recommend doing that. It's not very safe. I think they can be lethal. Look at this. We're coming up on halfway through it, and gee, I'm always picking the first answer because I want you to get an A. I want you to remember about that. Let me just randomly pick answers after this and then show you. Remember, on any of my tests, so I'm just quickly going through this. So I always tend to like these. Let me answer these first ones after this. I like these first answers. Remember, let me finish this up and submit it. And remember all my tests. Okay, it's all in there, and oh gee, I only got 80%. Got to get 100. But look, here's the answers. So on one said, look, I answered wrong there. Oh, it was the top answer. I answered wrong there. It was the top answer. Answer wrong there. It was the top answer. Answer wrong there. It was the top answer. But if you don't get a perfect score, got to get a perfect score on this. Retake it. Click take it again. Retake it, and get it done. And that's it for today.